What's up, guys? This is John from Magic Tech Review. So I have the Kyocera Hydro View in the house. So newest phone from them, and I have the demo unit right beside it, but I actually have the real unit in here. So as you can see here, we got the 5 megapixel rear camera, 2 megapixel front camera, quad core processing, dustproof, waterproof. Very good phone, guys. This is the demo unit that they gave us, so we can actually check this one out. So I'm going to power it on for the first time, and let's see here. And it actually has a removable back. So it does have the removable back on there. It's a very nice grippy phone from what I can feel right here. It's got like a kind of like a rubberized texture in the back. Let me see if I can pop this open here. Alright. Of course, you get your standard fare in the box. You get your cable and your charging unit. Alrighty. And let's just jump through this real quick. See if we can get a sense of cameras and whatnot. Skip anyway. Nice big bright 5 inches. Let's just jump right through here. Alrighty. Nice and responsive, I see. I like it. Not too much customization so far that I see. That's a good thing, as always. I see Lollipop on there. Alrighty. And let's see what comes included here. You got the Cricket apps, of course. You got the Deezer, the Wi-Fi, My Cricket, visual voicemail. You got Google, of course. You got browser, calculator, calendar, camera, clock, contacts, downloads, eco mode. I love eco mode from Kyocera. Email, file commander, pretty important. Gallery, Google settings. Comes with Office Suite, Notepad, music player. Pretty much a standard fare. Voice search, sound recorder. I use that from time to time. So let's dig into the specs of the phone. Let's see what we got here. Where are you at? Sorry guys, it's a little hard to do this while you're actually recording at the same time, but storage. Alright, looks like 2.69 gigs available of storage space. Not bad, not bad. Of course, you can put an SD card in there. About phone. 5.1.1. Nice. So you can stream right outside the box. Gotta love the Lollipop. And of course, I'm gonna suck at this game. Alright. Take a quick look at the cameras. Not bad. Not bad at all. I like it. Try the front one real quick. Alright. And there you can see me. Alright guys, well this is the Kyocera Hydro View. If you guys have any questions, comments, I'll be stalking the comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like my style of unboxing? You know, anything else you want to hear or know? There's a charging port down there with the microphone. There's the headphone jack up top. Then you got your extra mic as well. You got your camera with the flash on it. So let's see here. Let's see how loud this little boy is. Go to settings. And I'll be covering this much more, so if you guys have any other questions or comments or whatever, just like I said, put them down below. All right. Let's see here, media storage. Just once. It's not a bad speaker either, so that's good. Yeah, usually when it's waterproofed, sometimes the sounds aren't as loud, but this one is pretty good volume, so definitely excited about that. Definitely excited about selling this phone. So, all right, guys, it's John from Magic Tech Review. So hopefully I covered everything you wanted to know. If not, let me know. Thank you guys for watching. It's John. Peace.